Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when the Facebook Marketplace is unable to confirm your age. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Facebook. Now, since Facebook Marketplace cannot verify your age, you may have made a mistake in your age in the settings of your Facebook account, and then Facebook will block you from using the Marketplace features. So to fix that, you want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top left hand corner. You want to tap on settings and privacy, and then you want to tap on settings at the top. From here, you want to go to account center, and then you want to click on your information and permissions. Okay, so it seems like they have updated that. So go out of account center, scroll down, and you want to click on profile details, and there you can see your birthday. Okay, you want to click on the edit button, and then you want to edit your birthday. So tap on edit your birthday. That'll load up, and now you can change your birthday. So you can go ahead and set it like that. And keep in mind that they may give you an age verification step where you need to upload your government issued ID. So make sure you're actually over the age of 18 and put the correct age in there. Otherwise, you won't be able to verify your age with your ID. And then you should go back. Then the next thing you can do is just go out of the Facebook app, reload it again, and then you should be able to use the Marketplace features. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.